Once your garden grows, finding a single plant is the test of any archive. With over 100 plants in here, GardenKeeper gives you 4 ways to get to the one you're looking for. The first 2 are the simplest. Browse alphabetically, A to Z, or switch to recent to see the plants you've added or visited most lately. The third way is filters. Tap filter and the panel opens up. Type, exposure, flowering month, position. Combine them however you need. Type covers 13 botanical categories, from trees and shrubs to bulbs, herbaceous, climbers, succulents, even houseplants, the way a real garden is structured. Exposure works the way the sun does. Pick 1, 2, or all 3, full sun, part shade, or shade. GardenKeeper will narrow your archive to the plants that fit. Then, narrow it further by where the plant lives, back garden, front garden, indoors, or your wish list, and by the month you want it to flower. And here's the result. 3 filters combined, herbaceous, blooming in October in the back garden. Out of 122 plants, only the ones that match. And if you already know what you're looking for, just type. Search runs across every plant in your archive. Common names, cultivars, botanical names. 3 letters are usually enough.